Hey guys, it's Sylvia. I want to show you how I made this awesome body scrubs. They're really healthy for your skin. They're super easy to make and they smell delicious. So if you want to learn how I made them, let's go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye! We have 2 cups of dead sea salt here. Dead sea salt is really amazing because it has 10 times more than minerals than normal sea salt. Those minerals help you to detoxify your skin and cleanse it. It also helps you to soothe sore muscles and joints. It's known to treat eczema and it gives your skin an extreme moisturizing effect. I got myself a big bag from Amazon, but I know they have it at Walmart and it's not hard to get at all. So I also have here about half a cup of Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt is really wonderful to soothe your skin. It helps you to calm irritations and breakouts and to retain the moisture in deeper layers of your skin. I also have half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda, it's great to exfoliate your skin and it also helps you to slightly shrink the size of your pores. So that allows you to prevent dirt from clogging them or anything like that. Right here, I have about 2/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil. Coconut oil, it's wonderful to keep your skin moisturized. I will also be adding around 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil is just wonderful to promote the overall health of your skin. I really love it and I use it daily. If you don't have it though, you can substitute it with more coconut oil or sweet almond oil or any other oil that you have that you feel goes well on your skin. Now I have this mix of jojoba oil with coconut oil. I'm just gonna be adding around 1 tablespoon of this. Jojoba oil is also very well known to help eczema and to keep your skin extra moisturized. This scrub that we're making, it's gonna leave your body super soft and moisturized. I have these super cute jars that I think are beautiful with that like holographic look. I got them from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I think by now you know that's one of my favorite stores. I actually put these in my stove in a pot with water and let them boil so I could kill all the bacteria in them and they could be completely disinfected. So I have this big bowl that I also disinfected. I have a spatula to mix everything and this tablespoon that I'm gonna be using to pour the castor oil and the jojoba oil. And let's get started. I'm gonna start by mixing all of our dry ingredients. So the Himalayan salt, the dead sea salt, and our baking soda. I forgot to tell you that if you want to add some smell to your scrub, you also will need some essential oils. I have lemongrass, sweet orange, and lavender. So that's what I'm gonna be using today. You don't have to do this, but I think it gives it such a satisfying feel when you open that jar and you get a big smell of those beautiful, beautiful oils. Now it's time to add our oils. So I will be adding 2/3 of a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of castor oil, and 1 tablespoon of jojoba and coconut oil mixed. I wish I only had jojoba oil, but we gotta make it work with what we have. You can see the Himalayan pink salt. It's given it such a beautiful color, like so natural, and I love it, and I'm not even done yet. Another way that you can add natural color to this is if you add some turmeric, which is also wonderful for your skin, and it's gonna look like yellowish orange. So that's another idea right there. Be adding about 20 drops of lemongrass, 10 drops of sweet orange, and 15 drops of lavender. Please make sure that the essential oils that you're using are safe for your skin. Right, so now it's time to mix-it-do until it's all combined. Right, so as you can see here, I switched to my little whisk, and I feel it works better because it separates everything more and it allows you to mix it better. Alright, so now I'm gonna give you 2 ideas to decorate your little jars in case you want to give this as a present. I feel they're super thoughtful gifts, and I think these ideas are also super cute and easy to do.